family, welcome to Ohana House. I'm Star. In this video, I am doing a front porch decor refresh for spring and summer. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to this channel below. Give this video a like and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so first things first, we like to start every project with just clearing out everything. So David is taking all of the old decor and the other pieces off of the porch. And I even have these very dead pine plants that I had from Christmas that are still there that we are going to throw out. And we're just getting it prepped for a good cleaning. David loves to power wash, so we borrow our neighbor's power washer to just clean off our porch from just all the dirt and dust and even pollen that has accumulated over since the last time that we were able to clean it off. And so we probably will do this after pollen season ends again, because as you know, pollen can come and wreak havoc, and there's almost like no point in trying to clean it while it's still coming down, because it will just come right back. I love wreaths, so I definitely got a new pretty wreath for spring and summer. I got a really big one, buy one get one free from Joann's. If you have seen our video from last spring for our porch decor, then you know that we built this bench, and one thing that we didn't do last spring was put a cushion on it. We had pillows for the back, but I thought that I would buy a pillow cushion for the seat as well. So these pillow covers are actually with the Ohana House collection on my website, and I will leave a link to those in the description box below. But also stay tuned for the official launch, and you will be able to shop all of the Ohana House decor soon. So pretty much what I'm doing, I'm just taking my old pillows from last year and covering them with my new pillow covers, which is why I love pillow covers, because I can just reuse them over and over again and just change the fabric, the look, the patterns and colors that I use each season. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna add them to my bench. I decided to add a jute rug this time to my front porch decor, because I just wanted to add some more texture to this space, especially since it's a small space and there isn't a ton I can do decor wise. I thought a nice rug would add a nice touch and texture to the space. I also decided to add an outdoor end table for drinks and books, and just to have a surface for doing things outside. In case we wanted to work on the front porch, we'll have space for our laptop. I love the look of oversized planters and ferns, so I bought these two very pretty ones with the diamond pattern from Walmart. They had them for pretty affordable for the size that they are. I will try to find these online and leave a link to them in the description box as well. Since the ferns pots are too small for the height of these planters, I decided to purchase smaller planters to go inside of the tall planter, and I placed the ferns inside of the interior planter, if that makes sense. So this way you don't have to fill up the planter with dirt. You're just placing a smaller planter inside of the bigger planter and placing the plant pot inside of the interior planter. I feel like I'm doing a tongue twister right now. I also wanted to add some color, some florals to my front porch this spring, so I decided to go with hydrangeas, potted hydrangeas that I added in front of the fern planters as well. Okay, and this is how it all turned out. I think that we definitely added more color this year and more comfort this year. So we'll be spending more time on our front porch, especially after pollen season is over. Stay tuned for our backyard patio refresh. That should be coming pretty soon. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to this channel for more home decor, DIY, and home inspiration videos. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. Give this video a like, and until next time, love Star.